We are going to continue, and let me go to the original and click Ctrl C. We are going to go back to the initial image. Now we are going to be separating these images in here, this one and this one. Okay, first of all, we are going to start with the left side. So let me use the zoom tool, and in here then I am just going to crop the image right there, and we are going to, let me move this one a little bit, double click, and we are going to eliminate, to erase this image in here, down here. And now we are going to click on this image. Let me see, I am just going to click on canvas and the yellow, so I can just cut the image on the right spot. With the crop tool, we are going to be cutting, and if you notice, let me zoom in here, you're going to be able to see these shadows at the top. So we are going to eliminate those. Let me use the eraser tool, decrease the size, so I can just eliminate right there. Okay, you can notice that I am just eliminating all these. There you are. Then right click, fit all, and we are going to move the image just a little bit to the left, and now we are going to cut the image in here. Let me see, right there, and we are going to double click. There you are. Now let's eliminate the, let me see, you know what, let me change the width, the dimensions, the canvas size, modify canvas and canvas size 130, and down here to 30. Click OK, and now we are going to click outside the image, then click on canvas and transparent. Let's go to second up, and we are going to click on the zoom tool, right click, magnification 100%, then click on the pointer tool, and we are going to click on this image on the right. Let's go to select PNG 8 and notice the dimensions below. Okay, no transparency, alpha, transparency, and we are going to change this one to exact. You know what, again, PNG 32, PNG 8, that will be fine. Okay, 997. Let me go to file and export, and we are going to give the name Candy Show Left, show, and click save. Now notice the dimensions in here, 130 times 230. Okay, go back to the original, Ctrl C, because we will need to modify the other side. Let me close the image, no, and we are going to open the elements again. Let's go in here with the zoom tool right there, and we are going to crop again. This will be in here right there. Let me double click, and now right click, well, with the zoom tool, right click and fit all. Then with the pointer tool, we are going to click outside the image and change the canvas color. Then we are going to eliminate again the same process, all in here. Let me zoom in, and the same process, eliminate all this information right there, and continue. Well, that will be it. And in this case, we are going to be eliminating this, but let me show you, we are going to use the round eraser, and then we are going to increase a little bit to 30, and then this one will be to 100. Okay, now let's click in here, right there, and we are going to continue up here. Let me see, going back to the square, and decrease this one to 0 and continue eliminating all this information. Well, all these images in here. Going back, and with the zoom tool, right click, fit all, and we are going to be changing. Let me crop the image. We should have 230. Okay, you can see down here 230 and 130. Let me reduce right there. Then double click so we can crop. Going to the pointer tool, and we are going to eliminate the background. Let's go to the second up and the same process. We are going to go to PNG8, the alpha transparency, and we are going to go now to the file, export, and this time will be candy show, and it will be to the right. Now all these images are going to be below, okay? So you don't need to worry, and we are going to go back to the original, Control C, because we will need to finish one more picture. Well, you know what, I will need to close again, and one more time open the elements, and we are going to go to the learn more in here, make a selection, and we are going to eliminate. Let's double click, and we are going to erase all this information. Then let me change the canvas to white, well, to yellow in this case, and we are going to crop this image. With the zoom tool, right click, fit all, then with the crop tool we are going to, let me see, right there, move this one a little bit there, and we are going to double click so we can cut the image. Let's go back to the pointer tool, click outside, and we are going to change the canvas to transparent. Finally, we are going to go to second up and PNG8, then transparency, alpha transparency, and we are going to save everything. Let's go to file, export, and this will be the ribbon dash candy. Let's click save, and again, don't worry, you are going to be able to download all these images below. So you can just click download candy images, and you are going to get all these pictures that I am creating in here. So for this video that will be it, and on the next video we are going to be using the CSS styles so we can create this image in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on.